Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to get the Xero Advisor certified in 2026. For that, first of all, you need to come here on the Xero's official website, which is xero.com. Now, when you are here, you just have to either try it for free, or if you already have an account, you just have to log in into it first. You will need access to Xero Central or the Xero Partner Program in order to start certification. Now, to access the advisor certification training, you just have to sign up for the Xero Partner Program, and this is going to provide you the educational resources, certification pathways, and partner tools that are designed for the accountants, bookkeepers, and financial professionals. So inside the Xero Central, you need to navigate to the learning or the education section, and then you need to simply locate your Xero Advisor certificate. When you are able to find it, you just have to simply click on the download button right next to it, and that's how you can basically do it. You may also need to complete some of the official certification exam. So when you pass, you will officially become Xero Advisor certified, and then you can add these credentials to your LinkedIn account, your professional website, client proposals, and even on resumes. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.